What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today the time has finally come for me to reveal the third and final giveaway knife. So, for those of you who don't know what's going on, earlier this week I revealed the first two knives of my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Basically, those knives are, for anybody to enter, free to enter. Anybody who wants to enter. They are budget knives. They're really nice knives. The Gonzo FH41 and the Bestech Lion. But I also had this other amazing knife that I've been waiting on for 6 months that's valued much higher. This knife is around a $200 knife at the time that I bought it. Now, given this moment, I think these are going to be fairly hard to get a hold of. I have a feeling, a lot of people are going to be getting these knives, and I have this weird feeling that the secondary market is just going to take these and run. So who knows? Either way, if you enter this contest for this knife and you win, then you get it for free and you don't have to worry about what it costs for you or anybody else. So basically, this is the Patreon incentivized giveaway, the one where as soon as I hit 50 patrons, this knife will be available as a giveaway to everyone, meaning you don't have to become a patron. All you have to do is be watching and paying attention for when I announce, hey, I finally hit 50 patrons. I'm going to open this up for you guys to enter. And then all you have to do is enter, be at least 18 years of age, and be able to provide me an address within the continental United States. So if you are not following me on Instagram, if you are not subscribed to me, I would suggest that you do that. If you want to support me on Patreon and help me reach this goal, it is entirely up to you. But if you decide to, you can support me, and it'll count even if you join the $1 tier. That's, you don't have to join any specific tier, but if you do during this event, I will give you a custom shout out on my channel. If you want me to plug your Instagram, you want me to plug your YouTube channel, you want me to say something funny, you want me to tell a joke, you want me to make fun of myself, whatever you want is fine as long as it's appropriate for YouTube. I know. 2.5 minutes in, 2 minutes and 15 seconds in, and I have not revealed this knife yet. Oh my gosh, I'm building up theatrics. Let's go ahead and get into this. So here's the crazy thing. At the time of this video, the only people who know what this knife is are my current patrons. There's 11 of them. Last week there were only 5, so this has taken off quite nicely, and we're moving at a good pace in terms of where we'll need to get to for this knife to become available as a giveaway knife. But the weird thing is that while you guys are watching this, there are 11 people who know what it is, but me in this time, I don't know, what this is like. This is going to be my first reaction to this, so I haven't even seen it yet, but let's go ahead and get this knife out here. So what we have is a black box, and it says ProTech on the front. It also has the little slider that says drop. A lot of you will already have guessed, and I'm very excited to open this up. So I have been excited about this knife for a very long time, and this is a knife that I initially purchased for myself because of the way it looked, what it was based on, the original design that it was based on, the company who is manufacturing it. It is a USA-made mass drop knife that's also made by ProTech, and it is a collaboration with Ferrum Forge. So I am super, super excited to finally reveal. Can we get this out here? The mass drop Mordax, if I can make this a little bit more dramatic by pulling that sticker off at the exact moment. So this is that knife that a lot of people were talking about a while back, that is a US-made mass drop ProTech manual flipper button lock. And let me tell you, first impressions right off the bat, this is exactly what I wanted this knife to be. So I purchased, as you guys could imagine, the most plain Jane monochromatic one that I could. This is the gray 6061 T6 aluminum scale, and then of course that beautiful drop point 20 CV blade. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. So I am really excited. The only time that I'll have to spend with this knife is basically just however long it takes for my Patreon to hit 50 patrons. And while during that time I'll have fun just enjoying this a little bit, I will only be flipping this knife and just sort of looking at it. It will not be carried, it will not be used, it will be kept pristine and perfect for the person who actually wins it. But as much as I love this knife and as much as I want to keep it because I had to wait so long to get it and it's so up my alley and just my style, I am excited to give it away to the lucky person whose name I draw once we actually do the giveaway on this knife. So this is awesome. Expect a full review. There are reviews out there right now, and I expect there to be a lot more as these are officially dropping for everybody who ordered them. I'm just gonna sit back and hopefully let the hype build up. That's what I want to happen. I want a lot of people to engage with this, and I want you guys to follow me on Instagram. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for those of you who want to support me on Patreon, absolutely, that is most welcome. All of that money goes right back into the channel and allows me to continue to produce content for you guys. Hopefully more quality content and more interesting knives as time goes on. But in any case, I am really excited about this. I hope you guys are too. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.